Hello, welcome. My name is Minaswan and that's my partner.
Asma Abdullah. So today we are presenting our project called Light in a Bottle. So the material that we need is a box, A2 paper, clear plastic bottle, and a water and a light source. Because of that, we did this project to help people, for the one who lives in village and they don't have that much electricity. At the daytime, they can use our invention, and at the nighttime, they can use the electricity.
So as we said, our project is useful for the ones who live in village, or for the ones who don't want to waste electricity, or for the ones who don't have, who can't afford electricity at all. They're going to use this invention at daytime with the sunlight when it reflects due to medium. They're going to have a sunlight in their room. When the room is dark, they're going to have a light without using any electricity. Without using any electricity, they're going to have a light.
And it's useful for a natural light in a dark room or a house without electricity.
So let's show it. And that's how it works. We don't use a flashlight, we use the sunlight.